No, no, Henry, no, you're not wrong, you're not wrong. Totally wrong, Henry, I'm making get you. Top of the morning, my peeps, top of the morning. You know, this morning I'm heading over to Jamaican. I'm going to move the boat this morning. I get somebody to move it. So I'm going to put it over by the jetty. Somewhere in that region where the jetty is. That's where I'm going to put it. Alright? So I'm heading over there now to set it up, put on the engine and stuff. Help the guy to push it off, and then I go around and meet him over by the jetty area. So we'll catch you on the beach side, alright? So stay tuned. Alright people, so the boat here now. Just reach up this side with it, you know. And this is Henry. Henry the captain. Yeah, him is a captain still. Come here, yeah, come here. I want him to show me which part and him drive over there. No, it can't tie on in a little space, sir. Oh, alright then. If I just say you go then. You catch a fish?
No, sir.
Yeah, drive hard still, that's why you don't know how to catch none.
I'm going to drive fast, you know.
Oh.
Wait, sir, go long there, sir.
Yeah, man, hey, the same place you and Kevin, where the brother, where him name? The brother over here, sir. Where the brother name over here, sir?
Kevin, my boy said we call him when we come up.
Kevin? Yeah, call him now. You can stay here, sir, and call him, man, and push it above here, sir. Let me dry it up the clan hold it, sir. You call him because he must call the brother and tell him.
Yeah.
Yeah. But me, alright, yeah, go up there, sir. Go on up there, sir, then. Alright, the peeps. See me here now, you know. Want the trolling now, what today? I'll test out the boat today now. I'll troll again. So my friend there, Henry. See my him the captain now. Man, step on the hook here, Henry. Hook down underneath your foot on the bait, man. Step on it. Alright. See me can't remember what to do. Drop there. Hold on there. Prime it. Tough. Alright, very tough. Find the rope. And the run good. Oh, no, man, a rope here. Yes, a rope here. Lift you up before. Lift you up. Oh, alright. So, anyway, how you drive?
Yeah, good, man.
Drive good.
Yeah.
A 2015, we buy the engine here now. 2015. Yeah, put out your bait already, man. And take time. I'm going to go and string up. I never string up nothing yet.
I know yes to go on, brother. I don't know about that.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to do the controlling, guys. See there? Henry is the next captain. Alright? Me and Henry now got on captain. Right, my guide, look out. Okay. Right. Alright, so I put out my bait. Right, did you? See the bait there, man. You can't go look faster anyway. You don't have to go so slow. Me tell you to stop. Go look more. More. Alright, that. Yeah, man, they will grab it. The whole up on the good. drying that and thing there. Get ready for you in case you may have to get off him because sometimes I get to you know. Yes, fish on on them. Yes. Don't get to in the car. Long time I don't hook up a fish, you know. Yeah, man, fight me, Henry. Yes, yeah, man. Good size. Fish on every time. All on the boat. What you mean, Henry? Henry, the new captain. And now I forget seafood, man, you know. God, no. And now I forget my brother, Kevin. Look at Henry. Come to me. Oh, make the fish get there. Harris him. See him there? Kingfish. Back again. Nice size, eh? See him there? Harris him. Kingfish. Put him on right. Alright, so that is one. More to go. Fish na sila? Dominant na naman sila na. A kingfish. Alright, that's it in there. Right, that's it. Alright. Yes, and roll him in there. The shoot. You know, we have a sheep out though. Yeah, I can go and fight it there. Oh, yes, man, go and fight it. Do you tap and do? Yes, anyway, we'll tap and there. Okay? I tell you, I saw tap and get too easy, you know, man. Yo, man, chop. Okay. Yeah. I saw them get too easy, you know, the mouth tough. At the right speed that. Alright, so let's see if we can hook up another kingfish before we're ready for going, you know. So stay tuned, soon come back. As soon as we hook up again, get back to you guys. I hear when this now, see me now. This is Henry's kingfish. Boy, I tell you, the action so fast a while ago. I couldn't even catch him. I tell you, Henry. I get a place and take out the hook first because I don't want to catch it for me. The hook come so easy. They're kind of small, not that big, you know. Ah, him shake it out. Yeah, people, see me now. Henry kingfish is now. No, not yet. I rest him. See me? Kingfish. This is a Henry kingfish. This is him. I blow the place, but anyway, I say go. Put him in the corner. Around that stuff. Behave yourself. Alright, fish on again, brother, fish on. This one is a nice one, you know. Oh, wait, it's up on the line. Take time, dry it up, man. I don't want it not up on the line, because if it's not up on the line, it's harder for pull. So just take it, just take time, you're coming with it, yeah. Alright, see they come off now, alright, take him in. Sometimes them big, you know, man. There's some 18 pound size kingfish, you know, them big. Sometimes some 15 pound jack and all. But that one I feel on a jack this, a kingfish this, because I come too straight. Jack could have circle the boat and go round, you know. But you might have can't angle rather make any road back from Buster. Me tell you when to graph him. Stay balance your boat, you know. Yeah, me I tell you like you don't know about boat. Yeah, but you have to balance it because that one you have to turn over. What's that some boat? Eh? Big, you know, little. Kingfish. Seeing goes our kingfish. Alright, come. Alright. Hold on, let's learn to gaff. I can't go out. Now force it, you know? My brother alone must do that, you know. My brother alone and the man must do that. Oh, no, Henry, no, you're not wrong. Totally wrong, Henry, I'm making get you. No, Henry, you're wrong, Henry, give me.
You take him.
Hold this to me. Hold it up. Alright. Alright, peeps, see there? One more kingfish, guys. See there? Nice size, eh? Alright, so I'll try to pull it off. No, that's in trouble.
What do you want the other one bigger, man?
The other one bigger, yes? The other one bigger. Yeah, pull up this over time. Nice size. Fish on, man, fish on. Come again, around the rest. Yeah. Yeah, so we're heading back in, you know, guys. Yeah, man. We're heading back in now because the weather depends, you know. Probably like rain gonna fall and stuff. So that's it. We catch 2 kingfish and that's it. So yeah. All the time I'm going to find. Easy. Alright now, so pull off the gas. Easy on that side, so first thing I don't know how to swap. Eh? Yeah. What do you mean, man? Cool on it now, now when the breeze come from the tide come up, it will wash go and block up the way. No want to block it with the money quarry. So it's tight on them down there. Like tight. Yeah, go down a little lower, down this one. Down a nice strong part. So you cut that, Limb off and make a hole in the front. More capital limb. Alright my peeps, yeah man, I'm heading home now, you know. I had some tuning this morning, I carried the boat over, you know. As you guys can see, I leave over Jam World very early this morning. And I get the captain, I get a captain to carry it over for me, so the captain carry over the boat. And when him come, him say, boy, what you say? You ready for go in yet? And I say, what you want? Him say, we want to go make a run. And I say, alright. True, me always have my rod and thing in the van, you know. We just take up my rod and my bait and everything, and me jump in the boat and me and him gone, make a troll. But we do some little running in the water out there, and hook up on 3 kingfish, as you can see, you know, so it wasn't bad at all, you know. At least we bring over the boat and we catch two fish myself and him catch one, so everything worked out alright, you know. So yeah, it was good feeling getting back on the sea. Even though I miss Kevin, I miss him very much, but you know, I'm just trying to get over it now and still remember him, still have him in my memories and stuff, but you know, I still have to move along, I still have to carry on with the boat. That's basically what I'm going to do now, you know. But he will always be in my heart, you know. Always be in my heart right here, so that's how it is, you know. Life goes on, so brother Kevin, rest in peace. But I'm still carrying on the name, you know. Seagun of Jamaican anglers. So guys, take care, right? And until then, see you in the next one. More trolling videos now, so stay tuned. Fish on.